Your soda, Bubba? Your food okay? Yummy? Your food's over there on the table. You can put your soda over there. Put it on the table. Your food's right there too. That's funny. Flags everywhere. Careful, baby. You're on the skillet. Careful. one in the red.
Yeah, then. Hey, Bubba.
Now watch it melt. Watch it melt. Just watch it melt.
What?
Say bye-bye. Let's do the peanut butter mix. The peanut butter mix like peanut butter. And it even smells like peanut butter. See? You smell it. That smells just like peanut butter. Don't get me wrong. It smells just like peanut butter. So we're just gonna take it out and pretend that it's peanut butter, yeah. Let's get a little zoom up with this. A little zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. It looks so yummy. Peanut butter. Let's get a close up and watch it melt. It smells so good. Oh, stretch it is sinking in peanut butter. That's what it looks like when it's out zoomed, and this is what it looks like when it's in zoomed. So shiny, right?
There's so many of them. There's 48 left. Oh, there's only 2 left.
Okay, I'm just gonna have to stop doing that. Yeah. La, la, la. Punish. I like the smell of it. Let me smell it again. I just want to eat it. We're done with this one. It looks so yummy. So yummy. Let's get it in there. The cap.
Listen, man, you have to watch these videos.
This one is special, and this one is special. So we're doing these at the end. Then we're gonna be doing sweet pickles. Put some peanut butter on these too.
Click the link from
It looks just like melted pickles,
the
doesn't it? Melted pickles, melted pickles, melted pickles. Sinking. Oh, got to stop doing that. So, this one is very sticky. So, yeah. It looks kind of teal in the camera, but it's actually really like a clear green. Not really teal, but it's kind of teal. Almost done. We only need only one more. And these ones, since I don't have enough time, I'm already running out of time. So we're just gonna play with these a little bit. Like, when I mean a little bit, a little bit. Honey one. Because I have to do another video. We're done playing with the pen. I know I didn't really do that. Well, I'm running out of time. I have to do another video. Done with this one. this one first. This soda one. Soda pop. See, the reason why it's special is because it has a charm, and they're all not just, and they're not all just French fries. There's another one, and I'm not telling you what it is. Okay?
Oh.
I'm trying to get it out of there. So you not want to come out of there. Okay, good. I got it. The reason why I put the French fry one in there is because it goes with soda. It's fast food. Yeah. And I got this mystery box when I opened this. So yeah. And I didn't show it on camera, but I hope you guys are not mad at me. Before we clip off, don't you just want to see the first special one? Like it's special, right? This one I already clicked off, did they? If you clicked off, come back on. Okay, this video is a really good video. You might like the rest of it too. Ah, how do I control? I'm dropping the ice cream one. Okay, I said I was definitely digging. So, yeah. And we're done with that one. We was the French fries now. And it's kind of transparent, as you can see. And on the back is just yellow. My hair. Get out of the way. I'm gonna put you. Yeah. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, now time for the special one. Another special one. My baby brother's coming. Okay, so I've got a donut in here. Guess what color it is? Pink. If you guessed pink, you're right. And guess what color sprinkler is there? If you said green and blue, you're right. It's pink and it's green. Blue sprinkles, as you can see. Can you see? Green and blue. It looks purple on the camera, but it's actually blue. Why is it so blurry today? And this one actually smells like cake too. I love this one. This is my favorite one. I love
Hold
it.
on. Come watch your show, bud.
I'm done. And this little donut can go on top of it. And for the soda one, the French fry can go on top of it too.
Right.
See?
Mm.
It can go on top.
Right.
You want some fruit snacks, guys?
Yeah.
Fruit snack.
Your favorite, baby.
Those
The
ones?
bursting ones?
Oh, there's another one.
Oh yeah, I forgot the spring water. I'm not gonna do the spring water today because I'm gonna have to do another video right now. So